G'day punters, how you going? Kenny M here. Been a little bit since the last video. It's a bit of a breakout. Another adventure coming up. Yeah, epic adventure. Now this video is going to be actually broken up into two parts. I'm going to do a little bit of work on the cruiser. I'm actually going to do two parts of work on the cruiser. About to head off for a week or so. So I'm going to do a bit of work up the front here. Grab a thumbnail out of that, I reckon, because that's going to change dramatically. Also, I'm going to do a separate video on adjusting these Clearview side steps. There's a big gap there. What I want to do is I want to adjust that. This is the way the installer fitted it. This is driver's side. I'll show you the passenger side. I think it's a little bit closer. That's not too bad. Gets a little bit wider down this end. So I'm going to fix that up. When I say fix it up, it's okay the way it is. But I'm going to make it a little bit more consistent so that it's parallel to the car. And Clearview instructions are to line up the initial brackets, which mount up to the chassis first of all, with a like a straight edge, without the steps on, and go from there. I'm going to use a spacer, bit of foam in there with the steps on, and we're going to adjust those brackets up to bring the step in a bit closer to the body, so there's not such a big gap, so stones and crap can collect there, or bigger stones and crap can collect there. I'm going to leave the steps on. I'm going to cut that up into two pieces. I'm going to shove one piece in there, one piece in there with the step up, as I mentioned. Undo the brackets. I'll show you the brackets. They're not the brackets that mount to the chassis, but they're the brackets that mount between the step and the chassis. A couple of, I think they're 13mm bolts or nuts. And then I'm going to push that step in until I'm happy with the location, and just nip it, front and rear bracket, and operate it a couple of times to make sure that it's not binding up or anything like that before I tighten it up. But anyhow, I'll give you a closer look. I've had to lower the step to get into this nut here, 13mm, one there as well, and one there as well. Same sort of bracket set up on all three mounts. Middle mount there with a motor, and there's a front mount as well. Once they're loosened up, as I mentioned, I'll stick that spacing in, and I'll hopefully be able to move that step forward or closer to the chassis anyhow. Well, I didn't show you too much of that, did I? Sorry about that. Not even a time lapse. That's better than it was, but there is adjustments on those brackets, like a slide hole, a elongated hole, and that's as much adjustment as I've got on these ones. Better than it was. Let's have a look at the passenger side. That's pretty good. I'm not going to touch that side. So say that's the best I can get out of these. So recap, adjusting these steps so they're closer into the body. There's 3 13mm nuts on each of the 3 mounting brackets. There are, say, elongated holes in the brackets that are mounted to the chassis, and all I did was just try and push those steps and the brackets as far as I could towards the centre of the vehicle, and then nipped them up, made sure they went up and down alright, and I've tightened them all up. Something I have found, or I did find after this initial installation, is I went through and checked all the mounting hardware because it was loose, and these Allen bolts here. There's a couple of them. Each bracket. They were loose as well. So pay to just keep an eye on all the mounting hardware, not just those Allen bolts, not the three, just the three 13mm nuts, but also the bracket that's mounted into the chassis as well, chassis and body. Just keep an eye on those, eh?